Hi everyone, Wesbeck here. Welcome to VFX 101. Today I'm very excited to share with you a KGF 2 title animation tutorial. Let's start. I'm providing KGF 2 Energizer presets. So copy this folder and paste program file Adobe After Effects CC 2039 or any version, support file preset. And so we have three folders: Energy 4K, Energy HD, and Energy Text and Logo. So jump to the After Effects. So after paste the presets, must check effects and preset KGF 2. Okay, we done. Okay, simple. First create a new composition and create a new solid layer. Path. Okay, select the layer and draw a roughly mask just like this. Okay, next select the layer and Energy HD and drag anyone, for example Phoenix, and press 0 key on ramp preview. Wow, so it's pre-made Energizer effect, electromagnetic effects actually. So if you want to change duration, so simple, select U key on a keyboard and drag the keyframes and make your animation more realistic. Select all keyframe, press Alt key and drag. Simple keyframes and press 0 key. Wow. So now create a KGF text animation. So create new composition, change name main title. Okay, select the text tool and type text k.g.f KGF. Okay, set the position and the font name is covered ops. Download link below the description. Okay, select the layer, then go to the layer and create mask. Okay, select the layer again, press M key and select all mask. Okay, and press Ctrl C, copy, and create new solid layer by pressing Ctrl Y and press Ctrl V for paste. Okay, next again go to the Energy Text Logo presets and drag Dragon Tail 2 and wow, drag the end slider. So let's text mag with the fire. Okay, now we create a text texture. Okay, KGF texture, create a new composition, and I have a two texture file, lava texture and rust texture. Download link below the description. Okay, so first drag the lava texture and then import the metal, rust metal, and resize. Okay, let's apply gradient vibe. Type gradient. Okay, under the transition, gradient vibe, drag. Okay, next apply keyframe. So first change the value and apply keyframe, drag the slider and 0. Okay, apply some softness. Cool. Drag the layer, first lava show, next rust metal appear. Okay, go back to the main title animation. Okay, and change the main KGF Energizer layer mode into screen. Drag the KGF texture bottom and change track matte alpha. Okay, next apply some layer style. So some bevel and inner shadow and okay, layer style, inner shadow. Okay, apply inner shadow value, opacity 100 and change some size value. This look more epic. Okay, cool. Next again go to the effect menu, color correction, and select level and apply some darkness. Okay, let's apply fade in fade out effect. So opacity 0, then move the slider on 1 second and apply 100 and move the slider. Cool. Okay, before 4 seconds, apply. Let's drag the rust metal layer and apply the rust effect. Cool. Next, apply fade out effect. It's very basic. All right. Now play the video. Wow. Cool. So this is a very basic tutorial. I hope you like this video. If this video is helpful to you, like and share this video. Much more is more. Subscribe VFX 101 and must press the bell icon. Thank you.